Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and early this morning, I just now getting to it. Somebody sent me this part of the logo. There's some other words we took out. And asked how you would trace this or clean it up or redraw it. Well, I redrew it in just a few easy strokes. It's just lines in a circle and measurements. So my circle was 10.33 inches big. I take my ellipse, hold down the control button, and I'll make it 10.33 inches. 10.33. Hit P, put it in the center of the page. Take a 2-point line and draw it, holding down the control button, and hit P. This isn't really necessary, but I'm going to turn it in with the Smart Fill tool and get it out of the way. And now I've got half of a circle. And as y'all all know, I could have drawn it with the other ellipse tool in half the circle, but I just get so used to doing this. So now there's only a few other measurements we needed. It is, each one of these blank lines is 0.19 or thereabout. I'm just, giving it my best shot. So I'm going to draw a line and I'm going to make it 0.19. Now I'm going to make it a little bit longer. And there is 2.49 between all the lines. So I'm going to change my nudge factor to 2.49. As you can see, I've already done it. Control D and make a duplicate. And there are 8 of them. I'm going to save you the time. I've already counted them. Go to Effects, Blend, and blend them 6 times. Hit Apply. Then all I need to know is the angle. I measured the angle and it is 29.6 degrees. Now this is a blend, so I need to go to Object and break blend apart. It doesn't really matter. But I'm going to go up here and how do you angle them to the right? So you just put in a negative 29.6 degrees. This is kind of eyeball. I didn't look at that too close to see how close that was to the edge, but I think I got pretty close. And I'll zoom in here, and I think I'm still about in the same spot, and I am. And then I'm just going to take the whole thing, and I'm going to go back minus front. Fill it in, take away my outline. That's all of course, this was an easy one, but I'm going to say we're dead on, especially for a logo on a, engraving. And I think the key is the measurement across and it looks at an angle, but it's actually precise. So the measurement across divided by the 6 lines, as long as you're close with that thickness of the line, you're going to be dead on. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.